Hello, YouTube. I hope you're having a fantastic day. A question that I keep getting asked all the time is, which version of the Microsoft Office exam should I take? And that really is a great question. Should I look at the 2016 version? Should I look at the 2019 version? And it's kind of a hard question to answer only because at this time, not all of the 2019 exams have released. So if you're looking at completing the Microsoft Office Specialist Associate track, you can't do that because Outlook hasn't released. If you're looking at the Master track, you can't complete it because Outlook hasn't been released, but neither have Word Expert, Excel Expert, or Access Expert. And so you're kind of in limbo. The 2016 is established, you can earn it, you can do all the things that you need to earn those credentials. Now, some people are like, it's the 2016 track, and that would be a reason to go to the 2019 track if you can wait. But I'm going to tell you a story. The other day, I was at the doctor's office with my son, and he's wiry. He can climb and do things and get around barriers. And he ended up in the secretary's lap at the doctor's office. And so I walked around the counter to get my son, and I looked at her computer, and she was running Microsoft Office 2010. And here we are 9 years later, and companies are still using old technology to perform their office duties. Even when I was a consultant for GE, we were a couple of years behind the newest version of Microsoft. Now, I think Microsoft's trying to curve that by going to the subscription model and trying to have people with the newest features, much like what Adobe's done. And so if you need to earn the certification, the 2016 track is not a bad thing just because a lot of companies are still using old technology. But if you can wait, I want to encourage you to go to the 2019 track just because it's going to say 2019 on your certification. And that's going to help you for a longer amount of time than today if you earn 2016, which honestly is still going to be around for another 3 years before they phase that certification out. My answer is this. If you can wait, definitely go for the 2019 exam. Now, there are some cons to this, though. At this time, books and materials that I would recommend, they're not available for the 2019 exam. Now, Gmetrics has released a lot of their practice exams, and I'll be honest with you, Gmetrics is fantastic. If you have a skill base, Gmetrics will put all of the polish on your skills. It'll help you get acclimated to the testing environment and really will help prepare you to take that certification exam. And so that is a resource, but at this time, that's the only resource available to you. As I compare the two exams, there's not a whole lot of difference. Most of it's the same from the 2016 version, although I've noticed some changes. I'll go ahead and throw a graphic up of just the Excel domain regarding functions. And you can see that there's some differences there. If you can wait, definitely take the 2019 versions and go that route because long-term, that's going to be most beneficial to you. But again, if you have to do it today, just take the 2016 track. It's not going to hurt you. And it'll be a great qualification on your resume.